Hello everyone, grab the sides of your hair, comb it a little bit and tie the center with the rubber band. Then have a rubber band, the top middle part create a loop in the middle one, then drop the entire tail into its parent loop, making a heart and lump. Then combine the remaining hair together with a common ponytail and stretch the middle one as a bun and move the tail into it and stuff it inside and move the entire bun to the top, then drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Comb the entire back section of the hair and have a rubber band attached to it and split the tail into two parts and have rubber bands attached to each of them. Then create a loop using your finger and drop the tail into it. Then with the remaining tail split them into two and braid it and roll it over the rubber band securing it. Do the same for the left side covering the rubber band as well. And after that with the remaining section of the hair, split them into two and have it braided 2 times and make it to the top and cover it underneath the bun. Then have it secure with lovely hair clutcher. Make a bunch in the top section of the hair, create a gap using your finger horizontally and drop your tail into it from right to left. And grab the sides of your hair, tie it in the middle, create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it, attach it to the last loop of the rubber band and move the bun entirely to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpins. Comb the sections of the hair at the sides and tie it together with the rubber band on the right side and have it dropped inside for a favorite twisted band and do the twisted band once on the left side. Then with the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail and split them into 2 parts and have each of them a rubber band to it and create a loop using your finger and drop the tail into it. Stuff the tail into the middle one, making as a bun and move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping hairpin on either side, then dropping your lovely hair clutcher. Comb the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Split them into 2 sections and have each section into 3 parts and braid it in a thicker manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the right side, then drop the braids into the first loop we created and leave the hair as such by dropping a lovely hairband in between the gap. Grab a section of the hair from the left side, comb it a little bit and have a rubber band attached to it and create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, then braid in a 2 parts manner on the right side. Save the side sections of the hair for later. With the section of the hair at the back, make a ponytail and attach a spoon on top of the ponytail for reference and have it go across each other by making a simple braid. Then after that with the remaining hair, combine them together at the back side of the hair. Comb the sides of your hair in the top section and combine them together with a rubber band. Have a rubber band attached top middle part, drop the entire tail into its parent's loop, making a heart and lump. Then grab a strip of hair from the left side and drop it into its parent's loop and have it braid in a thinner manner. Do the same braiding on the right side and drop in your favorite hairpin. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and split the tail into 2 and have it braid in a thicker manner. Then roll the braid to a clockwise direction and hide your tip underneath the bun. Then split the entire back section of the hair into 2 and have each of them into 2 parts and have it braid in a thinner manner. Then roll the braid anti-clockwise, secure the tip underneath the bun. Do the same vice versa for the right one. Thank you everyone for watching this video.